DIY Willy Wash for the dog. You heard me. Yeah. Now, I'm talking about dog grooming and not dog breeding on the wash. Now, I have a relationship with Amazon, and if you shop through any of the links in the video description below, I will earn referral fees. Okay, thank you. So, what I'm talking about, I've not gone mad, I promise you. This is what I'm talking about. What we're talking about is this area, obviously where his privates are. Let me bring the camera closer. Stay there. Okay, so this area of coat is what I'm talking about, what I'm going to be washing, and what I'm going to use to be able to do it. And maybe a little bit of these feathers. Basically, on a male dog, what's going to happen if you leave this area, you don't wash it when it's dry weather, the coat's going to break. On a white coat like this, over time, if it's not washed, it's going to stay in as well. So what I'm going to use to do this, my DIY idea, because we've gone all the way through winter, using a mud daddy when he's got dirty, so that area has been washed. Not every day, but quite often. And now the weather's dried up, he's not needing to be washed as often, but this area does really need washing daily from a hygiene point of view, and to keep that coat right and to stop it breaking so that it doesn't end up with a gap there, which is what will happen if you don't keep this clean. And what I'm going to use is a basic Evian bottle. That's obviously got water in. I've got 2 empty ones. He's chucked one down here. What I'm going to do is put a tiny bit of shampoo. You can put a tiny bit of shampoo, tiny bit of conditioner, and warm water in one, and then I'm going to have warm water in another one. And I'll show you how to wash this area really easily with these 2 bottles. I've got 2 spray bottles on order. I'll bring a picture up to be able to spray the area as well. But all my spray bottles are full with other products. So this is my DIY idea till the spray bottles come. Let me fill these up. Alright, so I've got just a little bit of conditioner. I'll put a link below to that. It's just basic cheap conditioner. You can use any. Use human conditioner, human shampoo. If you're only using a tiny bit, turn around. Right, stay there. And I've got a little bit of conditioner and water in there. Good boy. Buzzy. And all we're going to do is literally wash his little willy area. And spin round. Turn round. Good boy. Buzzy. You can leave conditioner in if you want, but I prefer to rinse it out. This was the warm one, sorry. And we're just going to rinse the conditioner off. Stay. And dry. Some dogs do actually wee on the front legs. They're all different. But that is just going to help to stop that coat breaking there. Just by doing that once a day. Probably the morning is better. There you go. That's going to be much more hygienic in the house, and also it's going to stop that coat from breaking. And really it's like a 2-minute job, which can be easily done with 2 bottles. And so I've got 2 spray bottles coming, so it won't make as much mess outside. There we go. I will get a playlist up for this dog and for dog breeding and a few little bits like that. But yeah, that's exactly what that is. It's a Willy Wash. dog grooming way. There we go.